my dear students, let us begin exercise 3.1, question number 5. Following table shows the points of each player scored in 4 games. Player game 1, game 2, game 3, game 4, and the players are A, B, C. Now answer the following questions. You have to answer the following question. From that, the first question, find the mean to determine A's average. A's average number of points scored per game. We have to find the average. As you know that we have explained in advance, average means arithmetic mean. So let us see what the A has played the score. A's scoring is in this way. So let us take down 14, 16, 10 and 10. So A's scoring is 14, 16, 10, 10. So now we have to find out the average. As I told you, average means mean. So let us calculate the mean. Total scored by A, by A's. So let us find out total scored by A and number of games played by A. Number of games played by A. In this way we can find out the mean. Now we have got the scores. A score is 14 plus 16 plus 10 plus 10 and number of games as they mentioned in the question as well as number of games are 4. So let us find the sum. 14 plus 16 30, 30 plus 10 40, 40 plus 10 54. 4 ones are 4 ones are 4. Then we have 4 twos are, then again 2 is left out if we take the 0. So the answer is 12.5 score. What is the average? They ask you to find the number of points in scored per game. That is 12.5 points. What is their score? That is average is 12.5. So in this way you can find out the first answer. Find the mean determines A's average. A's average in the sense you have to add it, you have to divide it by 4. You are going to get the answer. Students, in that second sub question, now to find the mean number of points per game for C, would you divide the total points by 3 or 4? Why? Dear students, to check your presence of mind, they are giving this type of question. So dear students, you can observe that C has played only 1, 2 and 3 times. One time he did not play, so we have, while finding the mean, we should divide by only 3 because number of games he has played only 3. So we have to conclude the answer. We should divide the total points by 3 because player C played only 3 games. Now the next question, third one in that, B played in all 4 games. How would you find the mean? If you has played all the games, then we have to find the sum. For that, the mean of player B, sum of scores by B divided by number of games played by B. So now let us find out the sum of scores by B. B scoring, we know that from the table, that is 0 plus 0 plus 8 plus 6 plus 4. The same thing it is given in the question. Number of games B has played 4 times. So if you find the total, 0 plus 8, 8, 8 plus 6, 14. 14 plus 4, 18 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4 fours are. Then 2 is left out. 4.5. 5. So it is 4.5 points. It is 4.5 points. We have got the mean of the player B. Hope you understood how to find out mean of player B, sum of scores by B divided by number of games played by B. Hope you understood. Thank you. Friends, now the last sub question 4. In that they ask who is the best performer? Who is the best performer? How will you find out who is the best performer? Now already you have calculated ABC average. By observing that you can find out. So we can answer the question. The best performer will have the greatest average among all. Now we can observe that the average of A is 12.5, which is more than of B and C. Therefore, A is the best performer. So among these three, who is the best performer? A is the best performer. In this way, we can conclude the answer. A is the best performer. Hope you understood how to solve and how to calculate the mean, and whatever given question if they ask, you should be able to answer for those questions. Thank you, my dear students.